Hello, my name is Alexis Moncayo and I'm presenting to you my individual project, the solar alarm. So the function of the solar alarm, the idea of it is you will place this circuit close to a window, and whenever the sun rises, it will be detected by the CDSL and will turn on the whole circuit. This circuit, the CDSL is controlled by LM386 right here, where the rest of the circuit is controlled by the output on pin 5 of this one. So whenever right now is disactivated, and whenever you activate it at night, it won't turn on until it takes the light from the sun. Right now, because it's pretty bright, whenever I take my finger out, it's gonna act like if the sun was rising. So here we got a cardboard with the word "wake up" and the circuit is behind it. And then we had a light display right here. We have different pattern. If you can take a close look to it, has this on, this one turns off, on, and then this one's back on. And then we have a speaker right here that is synchronized with the lights in the middle. Every time you hear a sound, this turn on and the middle turn on. For this circuit, I use LM386 and 255 timers right here. This 55 timer is the one that controls the speaker and the lights in the middle of the display, and the cardboard right here that says "wake up." The other 55 timer controls the lights on the end of the light show. To just do a live presentation. So whenever you're ready, whenever you wake up, you go to the circuit and you turn it off. Whenever it's time to go to sleep, you turn it back on. It should be off because there's no light, and then sun rises and it turns on. One of the things I had a switch from my abstract was the switch. At first, I was thinking of doing a toggle switch. The toggle switch with the T-SOP. That way, whenever you wake up, you could use a remote control and turn it off from distance, and then the alarm will turn off. But I came with some issues with the fact that the LM386 doesn't have a reset pin. So for that, I had to use this type of switch to be able to reset it on and off. Another thing I had to switch up was at first I had this idea with the same wording "wake up," but at first I started doing the soldering, but it was too complicated. And the idea that it was too hard to wire everything together and make sure nothing was touching each other. So at the end of the day, I decided to go with the other design I have with wires and make it easier on me and simpler. And is there anything else? Alright, thank you guys.